Welcome back to another Afterwork Special. My name is Garrett, and this is Mojo Manufacturing. So I got my stock cut to size here, and it's way oversized for what this thing is, as you can see right here. But that's just how it goes. That's what I had on hand, but it'll do for now. This is basically the first run of this part. So finding out how in the world to locate this thing was really rough, because I couldn't get it to fit in there right in the vise, so I had to be slightly creative in the ways that I set this up so it wouldn't move. And in doing so, I sort of messed up. I know that hole is going to be warped right there. You can just tell how bad it looks, but this is only a prototype and it'll still work no matter what. So we're going to face mill this, having some trouble with that thing since it's all whopper jawed, but got it figured out. Now it's time to let it go. So here is the aftermath. Got that side done. Had a little issue with the Superfly and had to go to the 3/8 end mill just to face that off, so not a huge deal there. The one thing, when I had this clamped down, I messed up that thing terribly, that hole right there, counter bore. So I'm going to stick the Dremel in there and line that back up, but I guess that's the price you pay for not wanting to make soft jaws, and I don't want to waste any more soft jaws on stuff like this. I think that's okay for now. M6 is going there. That's going to be a tapped M8, and yeah, pretty close. Lining this thing up with the chamfer was an absolute mess, so I know I was off maybe a couple thousandths when I zeroed this part, which is respectable, I guess, for how I zeroed it. Yeah, it was a complete mess. That zero spot ended up not too bad, honestly. I am okay with that, and we can definitely try it out from there. So that's all I could really get done this weekend, because I went to Indianapolis with my dad to catch the biggest drag races of the year, the U.S. Nationals. And this is my second year in a row that I've gone to this, and I always miss this because I was in school or playing sports in high school, something along that extent, so I could never go to this because it's always Labor Day weekend. So last 2 years in a row now, we have went to the U.S. Nationals in Indianapolis. So awesome. So here's some of that. Sorry I couldn't get more done on the CNC machine, but we'll get it done this week.